Alright guys, so I'm here at Voodo Racing Innovations. This is my shop that I get all my Hellcat work done at. This place is legit. It's in Las Vegas. They do some seriously fast cars over here. Like seriously fast. We're talking about like high six all the way up from there. Mostly work on Mustangs, but they do GM, they do Hellcats, Vets, and special projects. So yeah, if you guys, anybody live in Las Vegas, if you need some serious performance work done to your car or looking to upgrade, you know, your horsepower, engine, turbo, supercharger, Google Voodo Racing Innovations. This place is pretty cool. This is like the fast cars right here. These things are no joke. This car here, high threes in the 8 mile, probably like a low 6, maybe high 5-second car. They just acquired this car here too. So I'm here at the shop. I'm actually getting my Hellcat finally set up with E85 1700cc injectors. It's actually sitting right out here. Frank, the owner of the Voodo Racing, is actually tuning the car. But yeah, we popped in the 1700cc IUDs. And we're gonna be dyno tuning today. Gonna be posting a video on that later. Hopefully pick up some good power. So you guys check back with my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see all the updates on the red eye dyno today.